I want to show you a little video to show how I made continuous improvements by standardizing some work. So if you look here, the first thing that you'll see is that there's no steps below it. So the next time that I did the work, I had no idea how to reproduce it. I had no standards. So if you look at the bottom of the screen written in blue, you'll see steps 1 through 5. I had to put those in because I had no standards and I didn't know how to reproduce it, and I didn't want to have to figure out all over again the next month. When I came back the next month, I realized that my directions weren't very clear, and again I was confused, so I had to modify those 5 steps. Now if you look at the bottom, I went from 5 steps up to 8 steps. Yet again, I was a little bit confused and didn't feel like there was enough clarity in it. More changes in the standardized work process, not clear enough, had to change some wording again. One more round of clarifications, more rewording. Now I was able to start making some actual improvements because it was clear enough. If you look at the bottom, I went from 8 steps down to 7 steps. I figured out that I was over processing and that I had too many steps, and I was able to actually start shrinking the process. 7th improvement, I was actually able to take the steps down from 7 to 6 because I found more over processing. So what did I learn about the process of continuous improvement? Number 1, I had to have standards and they had to be crystal clear in order to work properly. Number 2, once they were working properly, it became very easy to see where the overprocessing and the waste was, and I was able to actually start eliminating steps and saving time. So what were the results? Well, the first time I did it, I remember it taking about an hour to get through the entire thing, and it stayed pretty close to an hour to 45 minutes through iterations 2 and 3. By the time I got done, I got it under 10 minutes, and that's even with having to add more data into it because we hired somebody new. So it was incredible once I standardized and I started improving the process over and over, how much time it actually saved me.